Hello and what's up guys, welcome back to devlabs.ai. So guys, in this video we're going to solve using BigQuery and cloud logging to analyze BigQuery usage guys. So guys, if you're new to this channel, please make sure that please like and subscribe to the channel for more such content guys. So guys, the saddest part is that I'm getting views but not as subscribers. So please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such contents based on cloud as well as AI guys. So let me move to this lab and let me solve the solution as given here. So in this lab we are going to solve a step-by-step procedure. So please do watch this video very carefully. So you could complete this app very as soon as possible. So just copy your password and open a console in the mode. So just click on next here and paste your password here and click on next here. So after that click on I understand here. So wait for a few seconds, our interface will be loaded here. So click on agree and continue here and just come back here and click on task number one. In task number one, we need to open a BigQuery here. So just come back here and at the navigation left side you can see the navigation here. So click on this BigQuery and then and a BigQuery interface will be loaded like this. Click on done here. So after that just come back here. We need to create a data set here. So under the Explorer section, click on these three dots next to the project that starts with the BigLab GCP. So just copy this ID, okay, data set ID without any full stop or a gap here. Just copy this and just come back here and you can say three dots, click on the three dots and click on this create dataset. So paste it dataset ID here and now no need to change, remaining all must be a default here. So click on create dataset. So after creating dataset successfully, you get this type of message. Remove this and then just come back here and click on check my progress here. So you will get a green tick without any issue here. So after that at the task number 3, run a query. Just copy this query here and just come back here, click on this untitled query here and paste it here. So click on this run button here. So our query will be run here. So just come back at task number 4, set up the log export from cloud logging here. Okay, just go to navigation menu. So we need to click on this view all products here. Click on this leave here. So after leaving this, just copy this log explorer name here without any full stop here and just come back here and paste it in the search icon here. So you will get this type of I click on this first log explorer from the login, click on this. So an interface will be loading like this. So you will get this type of all the interfaces. Remove this unwanted want to be instructions. So in the all resources, click on this and click on this BigQuery. Click on this apply. So after applying this, just come back here. Now click on run. Okay, just come back here. Click on run the query. So after the running the query, what to be done is that click word. Click on the word job service job completed in the log. Just come back here. Search for this job service job completed job here. Click on this and click on this show matching entities entries. Okay, so after that just come back here. So you will get a green tick like this. Okay, so just come back here. So after that we need to create a sync here. Okay, for the sync what to be done is in the actions, click on this actions and click on create sync. So to create a sync here we need a name here. So just copy this job complete here. Just copy this and just come back here and paste it here and click on next here. So after creating the destination sync destination, click on this BigQuery dataset. So under this BigQuery dataset we have been created an ID, right? So click on this BQ log here. So click on next here. So click on next here and click on create sync here. So your sync will be created here. So just come back here and then just click on check my progress. So you will get green tick without any issue here. So wait for a few seconds to be uploaded there. Okay, in C6 and you will get an assessment as completed here. So I think task number 5. So navigate the cloud shell and add this each following query commands. Okay, open a cloud shell terminal in a lab. So open this cloud shell terminal. So click on continue. Yeah, click on continue here and just come back here and copy this BigQuery. Copy this and just come back here. Wait for a few seconds until our terminal loads here. So click on got it here actually. So in this terminal we need to paste it here. Okay, so click on enter. So it will start to execute in a terminal. So after that just come back here, copy the second command here and just wait for a few seconds to be a command executed. After that paste it here and click on enter. So after that just come back here, copy the third command here and just come back here. So wait for a few seconds. So paste it here and click on enter. So your command will be executed like this. So just come back here and click on check my progress and you will get a green tick without any issue here. So after at task number 6, viewing the logs in the BigQuery. So in the viewing the log, go to navigation menu. Just come back here. So in the navigation menu, click on BigQuery here. So after clicking the BigQuery here, just come back here. So in the BigQuery, expand your resources starting with the name Quick Labs GCP and expand your dataset BQ logs. So yeah, okay. So expand this. So under expansion, you can say BQ logs at the last. Click on this again. Expand this. You can see the cloud audit. Click on this. You can see these cloud audits Google APIs have been registered here. So just come back here and copy the SQL queries here. Just copy this and click on this untitled query here and paste it here and click on run here. So after running this, just come back here and click on check my progress, and you will get a green tick without any issue here. So after that, copy this another command here at the finally. So select all this and remove this and paste it here and click on run here. So you will get a output of this everything. Okay, just come back here and finally we got our lab has been finished here. So let us end this lab. So before ending this lab, please make sure that please like and subscribe this channel, and if you're not a join our community, please do join our cloud community in the Telegram as well as WhatsApp, guys. So you will get a very updated everything cloud solution as well as AI, guys. Thank you. Let me meet on next video.